This is Tiger from RobotDigg. RobotDigg Empower Engineers. Here you can see two SJ35 extruder. On the right, this one is the standard SJ25 extruder, which is used the jet motor, so with gearbox. So this one is AC motor, and the temperature could be up to 300 centigrade. And on the left, you can see this one is the high temperature, which can up to 500 centigrade. And also you can find that it used servo motor, AC servo motor, and also it's not a warm gearbox, it's a planetary gear. And also you can see that the standard one is using band heater, stainless steel, but on the left you can see that the band heater, we use a spring band here. You can see that on the desktop. This band heater could be larger, voltage for higher temperature. So yeah, that's why the difference. So that's the difference. The main difference is that the standard one used the AC speed or torque motor with gearbox, but on the left is servo motor with planetary gear, and also the temperature is from 300 to 500. Okay. Yeah. So the output of this SJ35 is nearly the same, which can be up to 5 kilos per hour. You can see in many different applications we are using this filament or a desktop extruder for film extrusion, also for blow film machine. You will find in our coming videos. Okay, you can find all this on RobotDigg. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to RobotDigg, and you will get more updates on our products. Thank you again.